So a girl I used to drive to school turned me on to the Starbucks pink drink that I had never heard of. Well, I found a recipe for it online and I'm gonna make it. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! I am in a lean making class. We need the Tazo Passion Tea, heavy cream, and a sugar-free vanilla syrup. You can get this at Bed Bath & Beyond, or you can get it at Sam's Club. I found this at Home Goods, so you can find it at those places. This is going to be a drink that you can have if you're on a low-carb diet. So first thing I did is you steep the tea for 5 minutes. This is my handy-dandy little teapot, and it just reached its 5 minute. You want it to steep at least 5 minutes to get all the yumminess out of it. You also are going to need a blender. I'm going to use my Magic Bullet. Okay, there is the cup we're going to use. All right, I'm just using a tablespoon out of the drawer. All right, 2 tablespoons of the vanilla syrup. Two tablespoons of heavy cream. Yum. And last but not least, the tea. Want to leave it simmering just to whip. Put this back on. Now it's time to whip it. And they say the reason why you do this is so that it all blends well together. Okay, that looks good. It looks really good. There's a straw. And now we taste. All right, here's the true test. I'm not sure, settling a little bit, and then I don't know how cold it's gonna be because we literally just took hot tea. Oh, it is really good. It tastes like pink tea from Starbucks. I'm just gonna put some more ice in it so it gets colder. Well, that was a quick video. You can make this at home, no problem, and the tea is currently on sale at Publix for $2.99. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And if you try the recipe and like it, leave some comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.